Take the tags off these bad boys. Some Michelin S Bull shorts for $16. Oh my God, I freaking love these shorts. Not a Bulls fan though, but you know, the deal was just too good. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in East LA. I just drove by, man. I think they're just opening right now. There's a huge line. Well, not huge, but there's a pretty big line. So I have no clue what to expect. Let's go. Those of you guys that do watch my channel, I haven't been to this spot in a minute. All right, let's go. Has there been a line like this, like lately? I don't know. Never seen a line like this. Okay. Just got in. Do got a little heat wall here. Let's see what's up with this heat wall. Some LeBrons, no deals though. How are these still here? Size 10? Size 10, do got some fire red 3s. 210 though. I still don't see how they got these here. That's kind of crazy. Gorge greens. Size 12. LeBrons, these are cool, but they are retail. Size 12. Dunks. Some 2s. Like these would be dope if they were discounted. Kid section. Oh, this is size 9 though. Maybe this is a women's. No, this is a men's. Men's 2 right here. Space Jams. Okay. I already see a bunch of the resellers with tons of boxes. Alright, they do got the refurbished stuff up top. Let's look at those. $93 for Air Max 95, gently worn. Remember, you do get another 20% off all this stuff. Air Max 2090s going for $70. Offline pack, $60. These are the size 9.5s. Size 9. You got some Florida A&M LeBron 7s. These are dope. Got suede on them and stuff. Okay. So you gotta move hella quick. Look, resellers already grabbing a ton of stuff. Just kind of walking around. Size 10, $230 for that retail. Size 11, got some blazers, $53 for these. While I was wasting time at the heat wall, all the resellers knew better. They went right to the refurbished stuff. $95 for these. These have really good leather on them. Size 11, got some Kyrie Infinity Nike by Use for $80. We do get another 20% off. Some Witnesses right here, go for $95, size 11. Witness Nike by Use, I'm at the size 9.5 now. Gently worn, go for $53. Trainers, size 9, go for $65. Remember, you do get an extra 20 off on top. SB J Freeze, these are going for what, $48. 7.5 LeBrons go for $100. So that's what, $80 after discount. More Nike. Oh, these are dope, dude. Size 8. These are going for $93. These are fire. These, I'm a fan of those. And this is gently worn, but I don't see any wear marks on them. Oh, okay, a little bit. I do see wear marks. Never mind. More blazers, 7.5, going for $53. Kyrie's going for $60. That's a 6.5. Our resellers are grabbing all the refurbished. So now I'm checking the women's section. I'm checking just the refurbished stuff, and then we'll look around. Got Scorpions for $125. This is a women's size 9. So what, 7.5 men's. Holy cow. Remember, you get another 20% off on top. Air Max 97, size 9, go for $88. Air Force One highs, going for $68, size 8 women's. Air Max 97, size 7.5, go for $88, gently worn. Size 9, Invincible Rock Finals, go for $90. Air Max 90, all white. This is a women's. This is going for $60. $60. Oh, it is slightly imperfect, so you really have to see what's wrong with it. Sometimes it's nothing, sometimes it's a big issue. Maybe that right there. I don't see that being that much of an issue, to be honest. Yeah, $60. That is definitely a steal. What is that? $48 after the savings. Holy cow. Well, it's a size 10.5 men's too. Size 9 men's, 95 for these. So size 10.5 women's, gently worn. Got another one right here, MX90. This one's going for 110 for some reason. Maybe because it's not slightly imperfect, I don't know. 13 minutes in, most of the resellers already grabbed all their stuff. All right, I guess now I could just look around, see if there's anything interesting. All right, I am everywhere because, yeah, have to be quick and have to find all the hype stuff or the really, really well-priced stuff. Now I could look around. So size 12, 2017s, go for $120. Kyrie Low 5s, 11.5, go for 70. We've seen these for 100 here and there. Ooh, $90. And you get another 20% off. Size 12. You got some Pegasus 39s. Slightly imperfect, going for 70. Alpha Flies for the big feet king. Look at that. That's hella cheap, 140. So it's a little over $100, gently worn. That's what's up. Size 11. Got some Air Forces. 140 for these. That's not too bad. A little different. Okay. Size 16. Got some Flytrap 5s. Go for 40. Size 15. Another one of these. Go for 90. KDs. Trainers being given away. Size 15. $35. $35. What? Checking out some of the smaller stuff. $1.75 for these. 110. All right, really not too much. All right, let's go check out the aisles, see what's up in the aisles. Damn, they're getting more and more of these, really? Holy crap. Okay, retail though. Got some Zion 2s. Zion 2s, okay. Do got other J's, quote unquote other J's. Then a bunch of J's on this side as well. Liftoff, that type of stuff. Got some fake Concords. Hydro 6s. Another one of those. Hirachis. I've been seeing Hirachis even on sale at the retail shops. And of course, they're going to continue to go down here. Plenty available. Free Metcon 3s. Ton of different colorways. Third one right here. Last one. The Metcon 7s. They got React on these. Metcon 8s. Blazer mids. Air Max 97s. I really like this colorway. These are fire. Another one of those. 95s. Dang, bunch of Air Maxes. Last Air Max 95 right here. Air Max 1s. A lot of people have been liking these. Got Vapor Max 2021s. Been having a ton of them. Last one. Forces right here. I saw someone with a refurbished one. I think they usually go for like $40-50. These are awful. They got React, I believe. We've been seeing these go down and down. Another Quick Strike right here. Last Quick Strike. Then an Air Force High right here. Cosmic Unities. Another one of those. Then a Luca. This Luca looks nice. Digging this colorway. I do have to get a Luca. This is his first one, so I do have to get one. I did get a Zion 1, Zion 2, so try to get one of each of the signatures, at least the first colorway. I did peruse the women's clearance. All right, let's check out the aisles, see what they got. Got some mom shoes, is that what we call them? M2K Technos, like a variant of the Monarchs. Waffle Racers. Another one of the Crater versions right here. Daybreaks. Pegasus 37s. Another one of those. Phantom Merrick Finance. Another one of those right there. It's always awkward with these beams. Pegasus. This ain't no Pegasus 39 right there. Oh, that's at the wrong spot. Infinity Run Finance. Another one of those. Alright, that's pretty much about it. Alright, let's check out apparel real quick and then I think we're gonna head out. Got some extra wrinkled Lakers shirts going for $24. This is all 20% off. Another Lakers shirt right here going for $35. Normally $50. Holy cow. Look like warm up. Yeah, it's like dry fit warm up shirts. These are hella big though. Hella big. $55. Some Nike hoodies going for $73. Normally $120. Wow. This is a pretty dope hoodie, mocha color. $82.50. Holy cow. Apparently that's super premium. Holy cow. It's a medium too. Lakers, like a warm-up long sleeve. What these call for? $46. It's a big and tall. Dang, apparel prices high as hell today. Jordan hoodie. Oh, this is similar to my red one. Super fluffy. Let's see. What is this? $35, normally $90. Whoa, an extra 20 off too. That hoodie's the only really good deal I've seen so far, dude. Holy crap, not really seen the craziest stuff. Sweats, 120 down to 65. Like crater. Got that crater material right there. Okay. Alright, that's about it. Gotta move quick. That's the moral of the story. Gotta move quick. Alright, we're out. Oh wait, we gotta check this. What the hell? Oh hell yeah, we gotta check this. I haven't really checked the prices on these as much. $35 for these. Some sweats right here. Oh, that's for Nike tennis. That's what that is. Just... Alright, abrupt finish. Let's talk for a sec. Alright guys, so I think it's one of the managers, one of the assistant managers or store, I don't know. But one of them came to me, told me I can't take video. I had a discussion with them saying, hey, dude, you also have a policy saying, hey, you can't sell to resellers, right? Like, all I saw was resellers in the morning. All I saw were people with, 20 pairs, Some had, 10, 20 pairs of sneakers at one time. You're telling me they're collectors. You're telling me they're just regular people. No, we all know what's going on. We all know what happens here. He told me, hey, they're just regular people buying regular shoes. I'm like, are you just dumb? Like there's no way. There's no way. I was like, there's no way. Are you serious? Who buys 20, 30 pairs of sneakers at one time? And this ain't nothing even about the resellers. This is about Nike implementing policies, certain policies, but not other policies. Even when certain policies are very explicit on their website saying, hey, you know what, we're not going to sell to resellers, right? I explained that to them. I said, hey, you guys have a policy on the Nike website saying, hey, you guys are not going to sell to resellers. And then all I see are resellers when I come here first thing in the morning. And he's like, oh, well, no, they're just regular people buying sneakers. That's the bullshit thing. The fact that they're implementing certain rules and saying, hey, I can't take video. This is like the only one recently that's complained. Like in the last year, I think this is the only one where people said, hey, I can't take video here. So if you guys do come here, make sure you guys tell the management, don't talk about me. Don't talk about video. Don't talk about nothing. Just say, hey, you guys are not supposed to be selling to resellers. And like I said, this ain't even anything against resellers. It's about them implementing policies. If you buy sneakers, if you're just a regular person, come here and tell management, hey, it's bullshit that they're selling to resellers, and that's all they seem to be doing first thing in the morning, especially with all their refurbished deals. Make sure you guys let them know. Make sure you guys let them know, because that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Like I rarely ever get this mad, but yeah, I felt like I had to talk to you guys about this, because I've had this conversation with workers there, and they've even admitted, like, yeah, you're right, and whatnot. And I didn't even talk about it because I don't want to make a big deal, but this is bullshit. They're full of crap. And yeah, make sure you guys let them know. Thanks so much for joining, you guys. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. And yeah, I got plenty of videos. I'm gonna stop by a few more shops today, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, if you guys just stop by, make sure you let them know, man. Make sure you let management know, hey, we already see all the resellers every time we come here. It's bullshit that you guys aren't implementing some of the rules. And let's see what happens. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.